Balance within Kelly Rowland. Kelly Rowland. Lucky you didn't vote on it, because you got it right. Kelly Rowland is...
The house is
when you
empty,
have a vote, you always get it wrong. So you've had 3 questions each. Oh, Chris. I thought you'd had them there. 5 of them not knowing is quite something. But in the
Yeah, I downloaded